People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We really appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.